Welcome to Review Lab. The best plug-in snow blower is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners looking to tackle winter's wrath with efficiency and ease, offering a powerful yet manageable solution for clearing driveways and walkways without the hassle of gas-powered engines. These electric workhorses provide a greener, quieter alternative, ensuring you can maintain your property's accessibility even during the heaviest snowfall, making them a smart investment for anyone seeking reliable performance and user-friendly operation when the snow starts to fly. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-sized driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes clearing snow a breeze, even after a heavy snowfall. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups. Its convenient electric design ensures less hassle, so you can focus on clearing snow quickly when bad weather strikes. With a robust 15-amp motor, it moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away, keeping your cleared areas clean. Its two-blade steel auger cuts an impressive 21-inch wide and 12-inch deep path. This ensures efficient snow removal in a single pass. Designed with compact wheels for effortless maneuverability. Plus, the attached cord works with an optional extension cord for extended reach across your property. Don't let darkness stop you. An integrated LED light illuminates your path, allowing for safe and effective snow clearing at any time. What we like. This model offers quick snow removal for mid-sized areas. Its electric design means no gas or oil, making maintenance a breeze. If you have medium-sized driveways and walkways and want a hassle-free electric option, this is the one for you. What people say. This snow blower is surprisingly powerful for its size and electric corded design. It handles light to moderate snowfall effectively, clearing paths quickly. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around obstacles and carry. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ627E corded electric snow blower. Tackle heavy snowfall with its robust 15-amp motor, providing gas-like power without the hassle. It efficiently moves up to 840 pounds of snow per minute. Clear more snow in less time thanks to its impressive 22-inch wide path and 13-inch intake depth. This makes it ideal for light to moderate snowfalls on paved surfaces. Take full control of where the snow lands with the 180-degree adjustable chute. You can precisely direct snow discharge up to 25 feet away. Its heavy-duty all-steel auger features 4 rubber-tipped blades for effective ground-level clearing. It ensures your driveway and surfaces are protected from damage, even in icy conditions. Remove snow even in low light with dual LED headlights. Plus, its compact design and wheels make it easy to maneuver through tight spots. What we like. Experience gas-like power with this high-performance electric snow blower. It boasts a wider clearing path and dual LED lights for nighttime visibility. If you're looking to tackle larger driveways and walkways efficiently, especially in low-light conditions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It clears snow effectively. The design is user-friendly and easy to maneuver. It has a powerful motor that handles moderate snowfalls with ease. Number 3. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Meet the ultimate solution for your winter snow removal needs. This powerful tool is designed to make clearing snow easier than ever before. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for efficient snow removal. It comes with the shovel, a protective cover, an ice scraper, a powerful battery, and a quick charger for your convenience. Experience robust performance with its powerful motor, capable of moving a significant amount of snow on a single charge. It ensures fast and efficient clearing of your driveways and walkways. Enjoy the freedom of cord-free operation. Effortlessly clear snow from various surfaces like decks, patios, and sidewalks with maximum maneuverability and no hassle. It clears a wide and deep path with each pass, allowing for quick and thorough snow removal. You can clear more snow with minimal effort. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it provides ample electric runtime for uninterrupted snow clearing. Enjoy whisper-quiet operation throughout your task. What we like. This is a complete kit offering ultimate cordless convenience for smaller areas. It includes everything you need for immediate snow clearing. If you need a lightweight, portable solution for decks, patios, steps, and sidewalks, this all-in-one kit is perfect. What people say. This snow blower is very powerful and can clear heavy snow with ease. The electric start makes it easy to get going, even in cold weather. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great option for smaller driveways. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 21 Cordless Electric Snow Blower SN2114. Introducing the EGO Power Plus 21-inch electric snow blower. It combines the power of 2 batteries to clear heavy snow, throwing it up to 40 feet away. Its 21-inch clearing width and steel auger are designed to break up heavy snow and ice. This machine handles even the toughest snowplow residue with ease. With the included batteries, you can clear up to a 16-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge. It's compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries. Direct snow exactly where you want it with the handle-mounted 180-degree chute control. You can also adjust the snow throwing distance with the variable auger speed. Forget pull cords and priming, start it instantly with the push-button start. When you're done, the handle folds for compact storage. What we like. This powerful cordless option throws snow an impressive distance and can clear a large driveway on a single charge. Its remote chute control offers precise snow direction. If you have a substantial driveway and want maximum throwing distance and control with the convenience of cordless operation, this is the ideal tool. What people say. This snow blower is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it simple to clear paths and driveways. The powerful motor quickly clears even heavy, wet snow, reducing the time spent on snow removal. Its compact design allows for easy storage in a garage or shed without taking up too much space. Number 1. WORX 40V Cordless Snow Blower WG471. Experience gas-like power without the hassle of gasoline. This snowblower is equipped with 2 batteries to deliver exceptional performance for your snow removal needs. Its single-stage auger is designed to break through tough, compacted snow and ice. This allows for efficient clearing in a compact and easy-to-manage design. Enjoy the flexibility of our power share system. The batteries used in this tool are compatible with all other WORX 20V and 40V products. Benefit from a high-efficiency brushless motor. It provides more power, extends battery life, and ensures a longer tool lifespan. Direct snow exactly where you want it with the 180 degrees rotating chute. An adjustable deflector allows for precise aiming up to 20 feet away. Dual LED headlights illuminate your path, ensuring you can clear snow effectively even in low-light conditions or before sunrise. The fully collapsible handle makes storage simple during the off-season. Its soft grip design ensures comfortable control while you work. What we like. Get gas-like power with the flexibility of a cordless system that uses the same batteries as other WORX tools. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency and longevity. If you already own WORX power share tools or need a maneuverable snow blower with a powerful, efficient motor and easy storage, this is a smart investment. What people say. This snow blower is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It clears snow effectively, even heavier wet snow. The cord management system is convenient and keeps the cord out of the way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.